How's it going? Welcome back. So our first tug of war, there's myself and my DeadBolt, and RC Johnny's over for the day visiting, and we're having some fun with RCs. Thought, let's do a tug of war. So the first person to run over the guy on the ground wins. We got a spectators crowd there, you can see, cheering everybody on. So we just need a countdown from our camera person, and we'll hit the throttle and see who wins.
Okay, hit the triggers in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh! Wow! Oh, carnage! Oh! RC Johnny wins!
Okay, let's try best 2 out of 3 here.
Oh. Sure, the guy on the ground doesn't mind.
Come on, bring it back. Okay, good, good. Go ahead a bit.
Gonna run the poor guy over again. Okay. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh! Shameful defeat!
Round 2. I miserably lost there. Anyway, so now we've got the RS10 versus the Wraith. And we'll see who the winner will be. And our other guy, well, he kind of got a little mangled. So Tarzan decided to stand in place and give his support. So if we can get our countdown, please.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, oh, oh. More of a battle. Not so easy now.
Looks like the Wraith is just burning rubber for nothing.
Whoa!
I did that. Tarzan still lives.
Oh, just...
Okay, stop.
Oh.
Reset.
Uh-oh. Oh, buried Tarzan.
Tied. I actually hit reverse, so.
Yeah.
No, I did. I seriously, honestly did. I would never lie. I did hit reverse just to try and get some more traction to yank him. So.
And he took advantage of it.
Yes, he did, but hey, we still didn't squash Tarzan, so.
You buried him in the snow, but that was it. We
buried him in snow, but that was it. No rubber met the chest. Okay, let's try this again. Countdown. Oh, I better get out of my 4-wheel steering here. All right. Countdown.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the Wraith is dancing. The RS10's digging in. Oh!
No throttle on the RS10. Look at that. You cannot pull me.
Oh!
Good thing we didn't put the summit against the Wraith, or the Wraith would be dragged across the road. No problem.
Gotta be fair now. Carnage! And the crowd goes wild.
Wow, nice. Looks like I got something to fix.
Yeah, well,
it's
not a good RC day unless something gets broken or the batteries die.
Yeah.
So something got broken.
Yep.
So it's good.
I think we can fix that, though. A little bit of JB Weld ought to repair that. Nice.
Steel bumpers next time.
No, DeadBolt versus Wraith. Wraith looks like it's gonna win, at least in the winter time for sure. Yep, an RS10 just sits there and lets the Wraith pull. So pretty good overall, I'd say. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.